In the last video, we found out if ChatGPT can beat a not very strong chess opponent. ChatGPT played black. And the result surprised me. Who does not know ChatGPT is a very smart neural network that has conquered the entire internet, writes programs, writes term papers, does homework, and so on. Let's go. ChatGPT won. Like it if you thought the neural network would win and write in the comments who else ChatGPT can play with. I read all the comments. See other chess experiments in the playlist above.